Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day as usual. So you guys know how much I love to bake. So this is my third installment in a recent baking series that I added to my YouTube channel. I usually bake for my work at least once a week, and a lot of times I will post some of the items on Insta stories, and some of you have asked if I could do videos kind of showing you how I make the items, and today we are going to be talking about chocolate covered pretzel rods. So a lady I work with actually made these for me one day at work, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have the recipe for that. How did you do that? They look so professional, they're so easy, they taste so good. And I think that they're a perfect item to take to a baby shower or like a last minute event or anything like that that you're going to. Like I said, it's so easy, but it looks so nice, it looks so professional, and you can color coordinate it based on how you want if it's springtime. So like today, I'm gonna use some Easter sprinkles, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. But I really wanted to share it with you guys because we're always on the hunt for something where if we're invited to a last minute party, what can we whip together really quickly that is going to look professional and look really nice but not take a really long time. So we are going to do that today. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients, so I am kind of bending down a little bit just while I do the introduction, but then most of the time you're gonna see the countertop because I really want you guys to be able to focus on what I'm doing. It's so easy. So my face probably will be cut out of the video because like I said, I do want you to really focus on what I'm doing. So first off, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see how I make chocolate covered pretzel rods that are so professional and so easy, then keep watching. Okay guys, so here is what you're gonna need. You are going to need some pretzel rods right here. You are gonna need any sort of sprinkles. I like to use these. These are for Easter. And then I always love to use the rainbow sprinkles. And then you're gonna wanna use candy melts. These candy melts, I actually got these from Michael's, but you can also get them from Wal-Mart as well. Today I have bright white, I have regular white, and then I have pink. And you don't have to use all of these if you don't want to, but today I think I might do the pink and the white. You're also going to need some glass bowls, and this is what you're going to use to heat up the chocolate. And then you're going to need some wax paper. And one additional item that you might need, but I don't have it today because I actually did run out, but if you go to Michael's, you can get some little pretzel rod bags for these, and you can twist tie them and make them look really professional. Let me show you what they look like. So here is an example right here of what they would look like if you did have the little bags. As you can see, they're just really cute. I think they're perfect if you were to go to any type of shower, whether it be a baby shower or a bridal shower. They just look so professional. And like I said, depending on the color, if it's a boy or a girl, you can have blue sprinkles versus pink sprinkles. But this is kind of what they look like. Okay. It is kind of weird because you can't see my face in it, but like I said, I really want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So the first thing that I'm going to do while we start is I am going to lay out the wax paper, and you can just lay it out on the counter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to melt the chocolate. Now this is the most important thing that you really want to focus on. When you melt the chocolate, what you're going to do is you're going to pour it in a glass bowl, and you're going to put it in the microwave to start about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now these are just little discs, so what you're going to want to do after 1 minute and 30 is you're going to want to stir it, and then you're going to want to put it back in the microwave to 15 to 30 second increments depending on your microwave. And you want to really watch it closely because if you do overcook it, then the chocolate is going to be too hard. It's okay if you do that. All you have to do is add a little bit of Crisco. So we're going to try to do that today. So you know what? I think I'm going to start with the pink candy melts. Take a glass bowl, and you're going to pour these in a glass bowl, and this is what they're going to look like right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 1 minute 30. Okay, so I put it in for 1 minute 30. You can see that the discs are still there. So what you want to do is you just want to stir it. And I don't know why, but I have found that the colored chocolate actually melts a lot quicker than the white and dark chocolate. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in for another 30 seconds. Okay guys, so as you can see, it is a beautiful creamy mixture, so we are ready. Now I am going to show you the biggest trick and the biggest secret. This is what my friend Colleen at work told me, and I'll tell you, it makes such a difference when dipping the pretzels. So you have your chocolate, it looks really, really nice. Okay, and I'm gonna take a plate, a paper plate, and I am going to pour the chocolate onto the plate like so. It's such a good little trick. I was so excited that she taught me this. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're just going to fold the plate in half, kind of like this, okay? So we can leave it like this for now. Now let's go to the pretzels. Okay, so now you have your sprinkles that you want to use, and you have the chocolate. And what I'm going to recommend is use the same, like if you're going to do flowers, do all the flowers at once, because otherwise they'll kind of mix with each other. So you're just going to take a pretzel right here, and you are going to take the plate, fold it, hold the pretzel like this, and make sure you can see, and you just kind of twist it like this. Okay, you have the pretzel. You are going to just place it really nicely here, and then while it is still damp, take your sprinkles and you're going to put it on there. And it's okay if some of them get on the paper. You can always just kind of pick them up and place them on here, but they look so pretty. So now let me go ahead and I'll show you a couple more. So again, take the pretzel, take the plate, and this is really going to come in handy to fold once you start to kind of like run out of chocolate. But you can see it just looks so nice. You put it down, put the sprinkles, and you guys, these are such a hit. I took them when I went to a friend's house for New Year's Eve. The kids loved them. And again, I think these would be really, really good for a baby shower too. And I don't know what it is about the chocolate, but the chocolate just tastes so good, that melted chocolate from Michael's. So again, this is where it comes in handy. You just fold the plate a little bit, you twist the pretzel, place it down, put the sprinkles on top, and they look really, really pretty. You know, I already did these, so let me do a couple more. I'll try these sprinkles this time. And it's okay if you make a little bit of a mess. That's what the wax paper is for. Okay, so place it down, and then let's change it to these. How about we do these little butterflies? These are cute. All right, and let me go ahead and do some more. Now I'm going to move on to the white candy mouse, and just use a new bowl, or you can wash it out. So let me go ahead and heat that up. Okay guys, now we are ready to do the vanilla, and we are just going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a plate, I'm going to pour the chocolate on a plate. Doesn't that look so good? And try to kind of pour it in the center. But like I said, you'll see the consistency isn't quite as creamy, but that's okay, we can still make it work. All right, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take a pretzel. Okay, roll it. Okay, put it on the paper, and then let's go with these little pretty egg sprinkles. there you have it. They're super easy. Probably what I'm gonna do since I'm out of the baggies is I'm just gonna take these, put them in a nice Tupperware and take them. Or, like I said, if you are going to a shower and you want them to be individually wrapped, it can look something like this. I did have some left over from the other day, so you just put it in this plastic holder and then you have a little twist tie. You can even use a little ribbon. So yeah guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about this recipe at all, leave it down below and I'll be sure to leave the recipe and the directions down below as well. Thank you guys so much for joining. Have a wonderful day. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.